guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Saya Nadiverse, and hari ni kita ada satu kasut untuk di unbox. Nanti kita tengok. Saya ambil satu. This is the box. So mari kita unbox sesama dan kita tengok sesama. Okay, so raffle ni saya masuk bulan 12 hari tu. Kita buat raffle, mau buat raffle kasut Air Jordan. So I'm so excited for this pair sebab this pair is a special edition pair. So meaning dia lain sikit daripada Air Jordan 1 High yang biasa-biasa kita unbox. Shout out to Atmos again. Thank you Atmos. First thing first. Oh my god. Of course. Lain daripada yang lain Not the original black and red Air Jordan 1 punya kotak kasut. Bawa keluar ni. We don't need the box. That cantik gila dua kotak ni. Macam cantik dua kotak dia. Kotak kasut warna but pastel pink. Okay, bagi 360 view. Ni kotak ni kita akan dapat kalau kita beli. Woman Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Atmosphere Obsidian White. Size USA 7, Euro 38, UK 4.5, 24 cm. Nike sales tag kat sini. Okay. Cantik tu kotak dia, serius cantik gila. First reaction on the shoe. Kita buka. Okay, I want to look at it first. Korang buka dulu kalau korang nampak. Oh, tak nampak lagi. Dia punya paper kat sini. Bukan macam the original paper Dia ada tulisan Jordan and Jumpman logo dekat atas paper je. So nampak dia punya special tu kan. Dia dapat dua laces kat sini, so I'm guessing dia ada lagi satu lace yang dia letak kat atas sini. Dekat sini dah nampak kita dapat dua laces, which is a white lace and a pink lace. Oh my god. Getar dah tangan. Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Atmosphere. Okay, get myself together. Oh my god, the shine. Bro, this is super nice. Kalau korang tengok kat sini, okay, kita dapat nampak the pink colorway. Nampak macam hitam but it's actually bukan hitam. Dia nampak color dia navy sikit. This one is a pattern leather. Korang nampak pun shiny nampak shiny gila. Leather kat sini pun comel. Air Wings logo dia, stamp logo kat sini. Oh, tidak dilupakan dia ada this one. Dia ada background story pasal kasut ni. The colour ni kalau korang first tengok lah kan, macam colour-colour legend Air Jordan 1 Rust Pink yang ni, dengan macam adik-beradik UNC pattern leather yang ni. So I guess this colourway memang akan jadi hot. Maybe sekarang ni orang tak bat at eye sangat, tapi I feel like macam in the long term this colour is something that people are looking forward to. Perempuan boleh pakai, lelaki pun boleh pakai. Will be the new hot colour soon life, I believe. Apa yang special pasal kasut ni is that I like about the shoe is, korang nampak sole dia. Okay, this pair sole dia ada like calit pink kat sini. Okay, so this is not a factory flaw ke ataupun kecacatan yang kita dapat ke apa, tapi this is to represent bubble gum yang kita pijak kat tanah. So that is like macam cool gila. And then kenapa dia buat macam ni adalah kasut ni dia buat dengan backstory pasal Michael Jordan waktu dia main basketball, dia suka makan chewing gum. This is the colour of the chewing gum that he chewed lah waktu dia main game basketball tu kan. So they put it in this shoe and make it so dope. And that's why kasut ni nama je Atmosphere, tapi dia ada nickname dia, which is Air Jordan 1 Bubblegum. So kat situ macam cute gila backstory dia dengan kenapa the reason why ada benda ni, and colour of the Air Jordan dia relate to Michael Jordan makan chewing gum masa dia main basketball, which is cool to me. And I really love his story pasal kasut tu sendiri, macam the background information about kau punya kasut yang kau beli tu. It's really something else. Itulah, rasa macam special sangat-sangat. Rasa macam oh, so cool to have something relating to the Michael Jordan himself kan. Sebab yeah, And colour pun so cute. Dia macam ingatkan colour macam crimson pink sikit. Tapi I believe it's gonna be much more popular bila orang semua macam sedar pasal benda ni. Sama lah this pink one, it really gives it a character and you have a story behind the shoes. Dia masuk juga ni outfit sekarang ni. Interesting backstory about these shoes. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. And I will produce more videos. Comment je and like this video if you like this kind of content. I will make more like unboxing ke apa-apa ke. And see you guys in the next video.